When an organization is considering purchasing another organization, it will do its due diligence. When the marketing department is considering launching a new product, it will first do its market analysis. When an organization is launching its new strategy, should it not therefore assess its ability to implement that strategy? My name is Robin Speculand, and you're about to undertake the tool called the Readiness to Execute. And this assessment will allow you to identify the strengths and the weaknesses in your organization's ability to execute its strategy. The assessment is based on a tool called the Implementation Compass. This is a proprietary tool of Bridges Business Consultancy, the company I've run since I found it in the year 2000. When we first looked and identified how companies were successful at implementation, we identified that there were 8 areas for success. And these 8 areas made up the implementation compass. The areas are people, business case, communications, measurement, culture, process, reinforcement, and review. What I discovered in my research is that the successful companies don't just focus on 1 or 2 of those areas. For example, let's send our people for training, or let's put in a balanced scorecard. They addressed all 8 of the areas, which is why we call them the 8 essential areas of execution that make up the implementation compass. Under each area, you'll find 3 questions to consider that will relate to your rollout of your strategy. And when you complete it, the radar diagram will allow you to see in a picture view your capabilities at implementing strategy. The next critical step is to identify what are the right actions for your organization to take. Strategy is about the thinking. Implementation is about the doing. This can be captured in the riddle that really explains this point. 5 birds sit on a fence. 3 decide to leave. How many birds are left on the fence? Some say 0, some say 2, some say 5. The correct answer is 5. Why 5? They thought about moving to the other side of the fence. They even had a conference call on the first Monday of every month to discuss what to do to get to the other side, but they didn't take the right actions. Many organizations fail in implementation because they don't identify what are the right actions and then allocate the right resources and support to make things happen. I wish you all the success and enjoyment on your course. And remember that your customers don't notice your strategy, but its implementation.